Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Darwis. I'm from LPTK Universitas Islam Malang. I'm the first generation 2021. I will do learning practice at SMA Sumeneb by using base competence, descriptive text, and indicator competence achievement. Catch information from the text monologue or listening. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Okay, good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, for the first time, we try to pray first before we learn. And I asked to Eva to lead your friend to pray. Come on, Eva.
Before we start the lesson, let's pray together. Let's begin. Finish.
Okay. I try to check one of you one by one. Sharifah.
Present.
Okay. Baik. Okay. Adela. Ananda. Okay. Afia.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Baik. Eva.
Present.
Monica.
Present.
Priscilia. Priscilia is there? Okay. Muhammad Afratsin Ainur.
Present.
Sharifah.
Present.
Tina.
Present.
Wildia.
Present.
Okay, which is not to call you?
Ata.
Sorry?
Ata.
Atang, okay. Ayu, okay. Okay, well, students, are you fine today?
Thank you.
Okay, so I hope you are healthy today because in this condition, in this pandemic, and we have to keep our healthy. So I try to share about the my PowerPoint. Share screen first. Wait. Okay, so yesterday we have learned about the reading of the descriptive text, and my question is, do you still remember what is descriptive text? Do you still remember? Remember what is descriptive text?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so. Okay, who can give an explanation what is descriptive text? What is the descriptive text?
The text that tells us that the text to explain in general.
Okay, to explain in general. How about the other? Can you give an explanation what is descriptive text?
Teks yang menjelaskan tentang objek secara khusus.
Teks yang menjelaskan objek secara khusus. Okay. And the other? Any else?
Explain. Sir.
Explain?
The place. Sir.
Okay, so we try to take the conclusion is to describe the particular thing, people, animal, or place. Do you know about the thing? Do you know thing?
Yeah.
What is that? What is that thing in Indonesia? Okay, how about the place? How about place?
Empat.
Okay, and how about the time? Animal?
Hewan.
Okay, so we'll try to look for of the method of descriptive. There are two kinds of direct structure of descriptive text. What are they? There are two kinds of descriptive text. What are they?
Identification and description.
The identification and
Description.
description. Okay, what is identification? What is identification?
Identification is introduce specific object that we want to describe.
Okay, and how about description? Good. How about description? Description?
The part of a text that describes the object characteristic.
Okay, the object characteristic. Okay, so, and our purpose today, we are going to learn how to find the information that's in the text monologue about the historical spot. Jadi intinya adalah tujuan pembelajaran kita hari ini adalah untuk menemukan informasi yang tersurat pada teks monolog tentang tempat wisata secara lisan dan tulis pendek, sederhana, dan dapat mengembangkan sikap jujur, peduli, dan bertanggung jawab. Nah, nanti we try to communicate with the other. Nah, anak-anak, jadi kita akan berusaha, we try to catch about the information from the text monologue, the simple text monologue. Okay.
Before we continue about this,
and we focus about the tourism spot. Tourism spot is mean about tempat-tempat pariwisata yang it is beautiful that I think while it's not beautiful we don't visit it. So what is the picture number 1? Do you know the picture number 1?
Yes.
Okay, what is that? What is that?
Candi Borobudur.
Okay, how about Candi Borobudur in English?
Borobudur Temple.
Borobudur Temple. Okay, have you ever visited there?
No.
No. No. Okay. So the next is how about the second picture? The second picture. The second picture. Sorry.
Beach.
Sorry.
Beach.
Beach. Okay, it is beach. And we try to the third picture. How about the third picture?
Bromo Mountain.
Bromo.
Bromo Mountain. Okay, well, this is about the Bromo Mountain. Now, I believe one of you ever visited there?
No.
Now, we try to focus to the next. It is about, because we try to discussing about the one of the tourism spot is the view. I think it is attractive in Sumeneb. It is about the Lombang Beach. Okay. Have you ever visited there of the Lombang Beach?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So, what can you find in the Lombang Beach? What did you find there? What can you find in the Lombang Beach? What can you find in the Lombang Beach? Is there any horse? Is there any horse? Okay. How about the sea? It is clear or dirty in the Lombang Beach?
Clear.
Okay.
Clear.
So now I try to give you I share about the material of LKPD, and you have to completely about the missing word, and after that you completely one by one. And while you get hear about the information from the audio, while you get about the problem, you can ask directly because it is using about the Zoom, or chat me directly. Okay, now I try to turn about the information of Lombang Beach. You have to catch directly the Lombang Beach, and I try to check the sound, and you have to hear carefully.
Lombang Beach. Lombang Beach is a tourism site in Sumeneb, Madura. It is a historical beach research on the island of Madura. This place is suitable as a medium for vacation and study. Feel the beauty of the beach while learning the history of Lombang Beach in Sumeneb, Madura, and adding to natural knowledge. For those of you who are traveling with your beloved baby, Lombang Beach is one of the nice locations. Lombang Beach in Sumeneb, Madura has wet sand and blue sea water. The uniqueness of this beach is that there are trees lining the beach. The tree that grows in the Lombang Beach area is a strand pine tree. Lombang Beach is the only beach in Indonesia that is covered with thorn pine trees, unlike spruce in general. If the cypress trees has a tower high with upraised and tall shape. The shrimp pine tree has a rather slow tree shapes and curves like a shrimp. Therefore, this type of spruce is given the name shrimp pine tree. The cypress trees eliminates the impression of the beach, which is usually hot. The air that flows from the trees makes the atmosphere of this beach feel beautiful and cool.
Okay, so what is the title of the information? What is the title? Lombang Beach. Okay, we try to get about the information number one. After you listen about the okay. Who try to answer the question number one? What is the answer the question? In your LKPD, you can write down. What is the answer?
Historical.
Historical. Okay. And who can spell the word historical? Hands up. Okay. Who can spell the word historical? Okay. Baik.
Okay.
Historical.
Historical. H-I-S-T-O-R. Sorry. I-C-A-L.
Is this right? Is that right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. What is the meaning of historical? What is the meaning of historical?
Sejarah.
Sorry?
Sejarah.
Sejarah. Very good. And how about the question number two? How about the answer number two? The answer number two?
Medium.
Sorry? Okay. What is the meaning? What is the meaning there? What is the meaning in Indonesia?
Media.
Yes, okay. So what is the meaning? Media, okay. So, and who can spell this word? Who can spell? Who can spell? Who can spell? Okay. Yeah, Sarifa. Okay, Sarifa, come on, your turn.
B-E-A-T-Y.
Okay, so we try to continue with the question and the answer number three. Hands up. What is the answer number three? Okay.
Beautiful.
Oh, Vina, beautiful. Beauty or beautiful?
Beauty.
Oh, beauty. Very good. Good to listen. Okay, now who can spell the words beauty?
Me.
Okay, come on.
B-E-A-U-T-Y.
Okay, so we try to listen the next number four, the last number four. Okay, number four. Number four. Okay, you
Right.
huh?
Right.
Right. Okay. So, spell this word.
Me.
Yes, okay.
R-I-G-H-T.
Okay, R-R-G-H-T. Okay, what is the meaning? What is the meaning there?
Tepat.
One of the, sorry? Tepat. Okay, very good. Now we listen again about the listening, the listening to answer the paragraph 2. We try to hear again.
Lambang Beach. Lambang Beach is a tourism site in Sumeneb, Madura. It is a historical beach researched on the island of Madura. This place is suitable as a medium for vacation and study. Feel the beauty of the beach while learning the history of Lambang Beach in Sumeneb, Madura, and adding to natural knowledge. For those of you who are traveling with your beloved baby, Lambang Beach is one of the nice locations. Lambang Beach in Sumeneb, Madura has wet sand and blue sea water. The uniqueness of this beach is that there are trees lining the beach. The tree that grows in the Lambang Beach area is a strand pine tree. Lambang Beach is the only beach in Indonesia that is covered with thorn pine trees, unlike spruce in general. If the cypress trees has a towering height with upraised and tall shape. The shrimp's pine tree has a rather slow tree shapes and curves like a shrimp. Therefore, this type of spruce is given the name shrimp's pine tree. The cypress trees eliminates the impression of the beach, which is usually hot. The air that flows from the trees makes the atmosphere of this beach feel beautiful and cool.
Okay. You have here about information. Okay. Celine, what is the answer number 5? What is the answer number 5, Celine? Celine is still there?
Uniqueness.
Sorry?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is the answer? Number 0.5?
Uniqueness.
Unique. Is it right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, now Adele, spell this word.
U
Okay.
N I
Yes.
Q
Mhm.
N E. Great, sir.
Okay. How about Monica? Can you repeat Adele answer? Monica, can you repeat Adele answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay, spell.
U N I Q U E N E S S.
Okay, so and we try to continue with the question number 6. The question number 6. Number 6.
Me, sir.
Okay, on.
Beach.
Sorry?
Beach.
Beach. Okay, spell the word beach. Come on.
B E A C H.
Okay, B-E-A-C-H. Very good. What is the meaning beach? Arnawa?
Pantai.
Pantai. Okay, number 7. What is the answer number 7? Sorry?
Cypress.
Okay. Okay, now, who can spell? Who can spell the word? This word. Ananda? Number 7? Ananda?
CWPRESS.
Okay. What is the meaning? Indonesia? Who can help your friend?
Cemara.
Okay. And number 8. Number 8. Number 8.
Sip.
3. Clear.
Sip.
Stream.
Stream.
Which one is right? Which one is right?
Stream.
Stream. Okay, we try to evaluate because you get about some problem. The question number to answer number 8. Okay, and the next we try to stream. Okay, stream. How about number 9? Number 9. What is number 9?
Impression.
Sorry.
Impression.
Impression.
Impression. Okay. How about the last number? Number 10. Number 10.
Atmosphere.
Atmosphere. Okay. Okay. So because it is about the sum of the answer. Okay. Now you hear again to complete about the answer, and I ask you to read about the text after that.
Lambang Beach. Lambang Beach is a tourism site in Sumeneb, Madura. It is a historical beach researched on the island of Madura. This place is suitable as a medium for vacation and study. Feel the beauty of the beach while learning the history of Lambang Beach in Sumeneb, Madura, and adding to natural knowledge. For those of you who are traveling with your beloved baby, Lambang Beach is one of the nice locations. Lambang Beach in Sumeneb, Madura has white sand and blue sea water. The uniqueness of this beach is that there are trees lining the beach. The tree that grows in the Lambang Beach area is a strand pine tree. Lambang Beach is the only beach in Indonesia that is covered with strong pine trees, unlike spruce in general. If the cypress tree has a towering height with an upright and tall shape. The shrimp's pine tree has a rather slow tree shapes and curves like a shrimp. Therefore, this type of spruce is given the name shrimp's pine tree. The cypress trees eliminates the impression of the beach, which is usually hot. The air that flows from the trees makes the atmosphere of this beach feel beautiful and cool.
Okay, you have here completely about the third times to turn about this information, and I ask you to read about completely text. Okay, want to try to read paragraph 1 of the text of the Lambang Beach. Okay, want to try to read this text? Hands up. Want to try to read this text? Wildia, are you ready to read the text paragraph 1?
Yes.
Wildia? Okay, read the text paragraph 1, Wildia.
Lambang Beach is a tourism site in Sumeneb, Madura. It is a historical beach resort of the island of Madura. This place is suitable as a medium for vacation and study. Feel the beauty of the beach while learning the history of Lambang Beach in Sumeneb, Madura, and adding to natural knowledge. For those of you who are traveling with your beloved baby, Lambang Beach is one of the right location.
Okay, so now I want one of you to translate. I give you the time to translate the text to Indonesia. Okay, try, because it is the simple text. I think it's not too difficult. Can you translate to Indonesia the text paragraph 1? You can translate to Indonesia? Hands up. Want to try? Want to try?
Me.
Okay, Eva, come on. Eva.
Pantai Lambang adalah tempat wisata di Sumeneb, Madura. Sebuah tempat wisata bersejarah di Pulau Madura. Tempat ini cocok sebagai sarana untuk liburan dan belajar. Rasakan keindahan pantai sementara mempelajari sejarah Pantai Lombang di Sumatera Madura dan menambah pengetahuan alam.
Oke.
Bagi Anda yang berpergian dengan teman tercinta Anda, Pantai Lombang adalah salah satu lokasi yang tepat.
Okay, very good. It is the good place to the family and the good place to make the look for the panorama or scenery there. Okay, now what to try? I don't want to choose you to read, but I want volunteers to read the paragraph 2. Volunteers to read paragraph 2. Want to try? Come on. Want to try paragraph 2? Want to try? Anissa, are you ready to read? Ready?
Yes.
Okay, come on, Anissa.
Lombang Beach in Sumeneb, Madura has white sand and blue sea water. The uniqueness of this beach is that there are trees. The beach there are that uniqueness in the Lombang Beach area is a di sini nggak ada jawabannya, Pak.
Okay, and next, okay, because there is the problem with your friend, want to try to help Monica? To help Monica? Sarifa, are you ready? Yeah, from paragraph 2, from Lombang Beach. Sarifa, are you ready? Sarifa?
Yes.
Okay, come on, Sarifa.
Lombang Beach is the only beach in Indonesia that is covered with brown pine trees. Unlike spruce in general, if the cypress that has a towering height with an upright and tail shape. The shrimp pine tree has a rather low tree shape and curves like a shrimp. Therefore, this type of spruce is given the name shrimp pine tree. The cypress thus eliminate the impression of the beach, which is usually hot. The air that flows from the trees makes the atmosphere of this beach feel beautiful and cool.
Okay, good. Okay, now, Celine, we can try to translate to Indonesia the paragraph 2. Celine?
Yes, sir.
Okay, come on, Celine.
Pantai Lombang di Sumeneb, Madura memiliki pasir putih dan air yang biru. Keunikan dari pantai ini adalah pohon yang berjajar di pinggir pantai. Pohon yang tumbuh di area Pantai Lombang merupakan pohon cemara. Pantai Lombang adalah satu-satunya pantai di Indonesia yang ditanami oleh pohon cemara udang. Tidak seperti pohon cemara seperti umum. Pohon cemara ini memiliki tinggi menjulang ke atas dan berbentuk seperti udang.
Therefore, oleh karena itu,
jika pohon cemara ini biasanya menjulang tinggi ke atas, tetapi pohon cemara udang ini lebih rendah dari pohon biasanya dan berbentuk seperti udang. Jadi, tipe pohon cemara ini dinamai pohon cemara udang. Pohon cemara ini memiliki fungsi di pantai pohon cemara ini
to protect the people from usually hot. Dari si cuaca panas.
Udara yang dikeluarkan oleh pohon ini membuat atmosfer di pantai terasa cantik dan sejuk.
Okay, so it is about the text of the Lombang Beach. Now, I try to give you make some question. Where is the location of the Lombang Beach? Where is the location?
In Sumenep, Madura.
In Sumenep, Madura. Okay. How is Lombang Beach? How is Lombang Beach? How is Lombang Beach? How is Lombang Beach?
Lombang Beach has broad sand and blue sea water.
Lombang Beach has broad and blue sea water. How about the other? Okay, good. The other? It only has about the white and blue sea water. Sorry?
Has shrimp pine tree.
Okay, has shrimp pine tree. Okay, the Lombang Beach has. How is the Lombang Beach? How is asking about the condition of the Lombang Beach? How is the Lombang Beach? Lombang Beach is
beautiful and cool.
Beautiful. Okay. So why many family or some families like to visit Lombang Beach? Why? Who can answer? Why some families like to visit the Lombang Beach? Why?
Because Lombang Beach is historical beach.
Because Lombang Beach is historical beach. Okay, very good. The other? Who can give it the reason?
Medium for vacation and study.
Medium for vacation and study. The other again?
Has uniqueness than another beach.
Okay, has unique another beach. Okay, so what make the Lombang Beach? Can you tell me one thing to make the Lombang Beach is different the other beach in the world? What make the Lombang Beach different with the other beach in the world? What is the unique in the Lombang Beach?
Lombang Beach has brown pine trees and shrimp pine tree.
Okay, very good. Lombang Beach has about the shrimp pine trees and it is about the prawn trees. It is the stand line between the beach. Okay. Have you ever visited there? Have you ever visited?
Many ever.
Many ever. Pernah ke sana, Nana?
Yes.
How many times? How many times? Once? Sekali? Once?
More.
Many times? So, while you come there, is this beautiful?
Yes.
Okay. So, we try to take the conclusion in the last of material. In the last of the material, we take the conclusion there. Lombang Beach is one of the, we try to describe about the thing. And one of is about descriptive about the place. So, the first paragraph is about the identification. So, the paragraph 2 is about the description. Why is called description? Because we try to tell about the factual information about the Lombang. For example, Lombang Beach has about the white and water. It is the factual information. Lombang Beach has about the shrimp pine tree, brown pine trees. It is the factual. Lombang Beach has the beautiful and panorama. It is the factual. Okay. So any question about the material today? Any question?
No.
Okay. So we try to dig up again, and because next meeting, we are going to learn about the writing about descriptive text, don't forget, you have to remember what places that you have ever visited, and you try to write down using about descriptive text. Okay, I listen about this time. And in the last of the meeting, we say Hamdalah and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Goodbye, students.
Goodbye.
Bye.